Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to continue with Unit 8, Shopping for Clothes. In here we have some goals. 4 goals that we're going to share. We have shop and pay for clothes, ask for a different size or color, navigate a mall or department store, discuss clothing do's and don'ts. So you have, vamos a comprar y pagar vestuario, preguntar por los tamaños, colores, navegar en un mall, un departamento de tienda, discutir vestuario, pagos, do's and don'ts, lo que sí y lo que no, ¿verdad? Tenemos acá una lista de vocabulario, catalogs, tenemos un catálogo. Lani Taylor, visit us online for seasonal clothing at lanitaylor.com or call us toll-free at 1-800-555-7800. So you have here outerwear, jackets, sweaters, gloves. Then you have the outerwear and lingerie. You have the men's boxers, the bras, the panties. You have the socks, the tights, the pantyhose. You have the purses, the belts, men's and women's pajamas, women's nightgowns, bathrobes, running shoes, shorts, and running pants. So I suggest you practice your vocabulary, practice the pronunciation, practice. Try to write some sentences using these words, okay? So this is a clothing department. But letter B, discussion. What clothes are good to buy from a catalog? What clothes do you think are good to buy? Well, I think if you're a lady, you're going to prefer the lingerie department and the outerwear. What do you like from the store? Well, I like the font. So then you have the photo story. Read and listen to a conversation between a clerk and a customer about a sweater the customer wants to buy. The customer wants to buy the sweater, and the clerk is helping the customer to find what she wants. And, well, we have, excuse me, how much is the V-neck? This red one, it's $555. That's not too bad, and it's really nice. Could I get it in a larger size? Here you go. This one's a medium. Would you like to try it on? No thanks, I just take it. It's a present from my sister. Would you be nice enough to gift wrap it for me? Of course. Ok, ahí vemos cómo le explica la persona que va a comprar el producto a la persona que entiende qué es lo que quiere. Disculpe, este es un V-neck. Si vemos V-neck es el que tiene cuello V, ¿verdad? Esa es roja, sí, vale $55, no está mal, es muy bonita. Podría conseguirle un tamaño más grande, aquí está. Este es mediano. ¿Le gustaría probársela? No, gracias. Solo la voy a tomar, si es un presente para mi hermana. ¿Sería tan amable de envolvérmela, por favor? Muchas gracias. Por supuesto. Okay. So, aquí ya habíamos repasado, como es un repaso, ¿verdad? Vamos a complete each statement that explains your answer. Ya habíamos visto esto. Primero vamos a contestar A o B. Tenemos las oraciones. Tenemos que decir cuál es la oración que completa, la palabra que completa la oración, y de ahí vamos a explicar nuestra respuesta. Un ejemplo, número 1, number 1, the shopper wants to know the size of the sweater, the price of the sweater. Excuse me, the size of the sweater. And how do you know, she says, how much is that V-neck? So, aquí me retrato, es el precio, the price. ¿Cómo tú sabes? Porque ella dice cuánto vale esa V-neck. Entonces estamos hablando de un precio. Number 2, she asked the clerk for another size. How do you know? The shopper says, could I get it in a larger size? Number 3, the clerk brings the shopper a different size. How do you know? The clerk says. How do you know? Well, let me see. Here you go. This one's a medium. And number 4, the sweater is for a different person. And how do you know? The shopper says. I'll just take it. It's a present from my sister. Then you move to letter E. Complete each statement with quotation from the first one. The shopper says to get the clerk's attention. Para conseguir la atención de la persona que atiende, que fue lo que hizo la compradora. Excuse me. The shopper says to say that the price of the sweater is okay. Para decir que el precio del suéter estaba muy bien, que fue lo que dijo la compradora. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay, 3, the clerk says when she gives a shopper the second sweater. Here, let me see. The shopper says, let me see, when she gives the shopper the second sweater. Here you go. Okay, so she says, here you go. Nos fijamos muy bien, ¿verdad? Que es lo que nos piden las instrucciones, y ahí vamos trabajando y vamos leyendo utilizando la información de Forrester. Ahí tenemos un personalize, what's important to you when you shop for clothes. Example, you have to complete the chart. Prices, brands, selection, service. So you have not important, important, very important. So you have, for you, when you go shopping, what's important for you? For me, the prices are important. The brands, important. And not important. Both of them. And very important. I like 3. The selection. The selection is very important. And the service. The service is very important. So you're going to choose what's important to you when you shop for clothes. Complete the chart. Then we move to lesson 1, and we have about types of clothing and shoes. Shop and pay for clothes. Lesson 1. Jeans, sweatshirt, sweatpants, t-shirt, polo shirt, a crew neck, a turtleneck, a windbreaker, a cardigan, a v-neck, a blazer, Oxford sandals, pumps, loafers, running shoes, flats. So there you have a lot of vocabulary. You have types of clothing and shoes. Then we move to the objects. Okay, antes de pasar a la parte gramática de los pronombres y objetos, quiero que estudien la parte del vocabulario, bueno, que repasen, ¿verdad? Para que ustedes puedan manejar estos vocabularios. Repitamos otra vez. Jeans, sweatshirt, sweatpants, t-shirt, polo shirt, crew neck, turtleneck, windbreaker, a cardigan, a v-neck, a blazer, Oxford, sandals, loafers, running shoes, flats. De ahí nos pasamos a la gramática en cuanto a lo que son objetos de pronombre. Vemos que los objetos de pronombre están en la cajita que está a mano derecha. So you have me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Ok. Cuando tengamos que hablar por segunda vez, tenemos ejemplos. Vamos a utilizar estos pronombres de objetos como objetos directos. Ejemplos. I want the cardigan. En vez de decir the cardigan, podemos decir I want it. I love these pumps. I love them. Ahora, cuando pasamos a prepositional phrases, we gave the V to Jane. Ahí podemos hacer un cambio. En vez de decir to Jane, vamos a decir to her. He's buying a blazer for his wife. He's buying a blazer for her. Okay, for her. In a sentence with both a direct and a prepositional phrase, the direct object comes first. We gave the hat to Jane. He's buying it for her. Muy bien. Entonces, los object pronouns vienen a tomar el lugar de los nouns. Los subject pronouns también. Un ejemplo, me Los ejemplos que tenemos son me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. So let's move to the exercise A. Underline the direct object in the sentence. Then complete each conversation. Replace a direct object noun or noun phrase with an object pronoun. So as you can see, example number 1, we're going to underline the direct object. And then we're going to put an object of a pronoun. Vamos a subrayar un objeto directo y vamos a agregar un pronombre de objeto. La número 2, don't you love the school windbreakers? These school windbreakers is a direct object. So yes, I love them. Should I buy this crew neck over here? This crew neck over here. We're talking about direct object. So no, don't buy it. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Did you see the blue polo shirts? Polo shirts. We're talking about the direct object. Yes, I saw it on the rack. Does your daughter want this cardigan? Okay, we're talking about the cardigan. So this cardigan, yes, she wants it. Who did she give the old jacket to? She gave it to me. So the old jacket too, it's a direct object. So first we're going to underline the direct object and then we're going to use the pronoun object. So remember, green sweatpants, it's an example of a direct object, and then it's the object pronouns. Vemos cómo se realizan estos ejercicios. Vamos a ir leyendo cada oración, cada conversación. Vamos a subrayar el objeto directo. Un ejemplo es lo que tenemos en la número 1. Y de ahí vamos a escribir el pronombre del objeto. De ahí pasamos a la parte de cómo armar oraciones. En este caso vemos cada oración, vemos las palabras, hay que ir viendo, trabajando cómo vamos a trabajar las oraciones. Pero acordémonos que comenzamos con un sujeto, de ahí pasamos a un verbo. ¿Okay? Tratemos de trabajar la primera oración. I am buying it for her. They are getting them for us. Please give it to me. I need it. I need them for my son-in-law. He is finding it for me. Okay. Nos fijamos bien en las palabras. Veamos qué palabras hay y qué oración podemos armar referente a estas unscrambled words. Then we have a conversation model, and we're going to read and listen to a conversation in which someone is paying for clothes. We're talking about clothes. Estamos hablando acerca de vestuario, vestimenta. I'll take these polo shirts, please. Certainly. How would you like to pay for them? Excuse me, cash or change? Charge, please, and I could gift wrap them for me. Absolutely. Ok, entonces tenemos que llevar esos polo shirts, por favor, certainly. ¿Cómo te gustaría pagar por ellos? ¿Cómo le gustaría pagar por ellos? Disculpe, efectivo o tarjeta. Cárguemelo, por favor. Charge es cuando la persona le están diciendo que utilice una tarjeta. ¿Podrían volvérmelo? Absolutamente. Okay, so this conversation talks about someone paying for clothes. And we're going to stop here and we're going to continue in a while. And please practice what we have been seeing. Okay, practice about the sentence and scrambling, the direct object, the object pronoun. Practice the vocabulary. Okay? Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.